Happy birthday! What? Hey guys, that's Maribel right there, guys. She Chamoy her. Chamoy. He's like, oh hell no! Josh over here about to kick Dio's ass. More. Biter!
No,
why are you copying me? Mine is better. Mine has see-through cover.
You're original.
The Stang. How do you feel about driving this?
I'm scared.
Why?
I don't feel sexy.
It blends in with your soul and your skin. Look at him. Hit him up, girls.
What?
Cass.
Hi. Awkward.
We're gonna go congratulate David for his car. Can't accept people in here with cars.
Diego's here? I'm leaving.
What does it keep for? My heart? Ah. What's up, Baruch? Oh.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Roxy, no!
Congrats, dude. That's sick. I'm freaking.
I'm stoked for you.
Right when I saw my bike, you got something. Oh, dang. Damn, guys, these are his plates. Cop. Hey, it still smells like new car, too.
It does.
What? Galaxy? Yeah. Hey, this guy was a raver, huh?
He was a husband already.
I was gonna say, oh, husband. Dude, that's sick.
Lil Dave. That's my rapper name, Lil Dave. That's gay.
I like your room, by the way.
I have pictures of some fake people in here.
Fake people? You have pictures
Not the guy, the girl.
Okay, let's do it again. Oh, Photoshop you. To Kendall Jenner's body.
Oh, that hurt, idiot. Era, Cass, tonta.
Va a llorar. Ah! Oh, shoot.
Put it back.
Cass. Ooh.
Ow!
Come close to me. Don't think if you wet me, dude, I will literally slap you in the face. Throw it to Diego. No, lock it.
Drop it.
Lock it.
Drop, pop, and lock.
Lock it. Why do you want to pick me up? Because you were trying to be, huh?
Boss.
It's okay, it's early. Boss.
Boss.
Dame tu paz.
Boss.
Let's do the Bastian Tatiana.
Get out, dude.
He's like, ah.
You're so madre.
What are you guys doing tonight?
David, no! The DEA one.
You can buy it at a thrift store.
It's not deep.
This is Caesar.
Christmas light. Give him a little hope.
Trash.
He wasn't here earlier. I could have gone to
Hey!
Ah! You don't record that way, you record post the part for Frank, so if you were able to see him right now, what would you tell him?
I'm crying, dude. Oh my god.
Hell no.
Baby,
For real.
I missed you. Baby.
Frank is for you, but
Mal, I missed you.
No, I do miss him. And I can't wait till August.
okay, you're gonna say something meaningful now? Okay, go. Chona.
Rejection. Bastian touch. Razón no tienes novia.
I'm so mad. I'm gonna sue Alex for putting me in his vlogs later.